Hi there, everyone. This is Art Dill, your emini success coach for futurestradingcompany.net, with a recap of our trading for February 7th, 2012. We had another narrow range trading day here on the 7th, and that's why you're looking at our 50-tick entry chart. We had another successful day of trading the narrow range. 5 total trades, four winning trades, 1 losing trade. The first trade we took, and again, we were taking trades based on the price on the 3-minute chart in the Keltner channel. And so our first trade was a long trade. 12,746 was the entry, out at 753. So then we had technical difficulties. TradeStation actually went down. Wasn't able to get a stop in on the last contract. Finally did put one in at a 20 point. Here we were below this low here. I think my stop was 12,727, and it got to 12,729. Then turned back and we exited at 12,761. The next trade we took was the only losing trade of the day. And again, it was based on where price was in relationship to the 3-minute Keltner channel. It was up the upper portion here. Took a breakout, 12,764, with one contract, and bought another contract 8 points higher. Sold another contract 8 points higher at 12,772. And our stop was at 12,780. And that's where we got stopped out on both of those contracts. Third trade we took was at 808. We had now determined that the price action was breaking out of the narrow trading range, and so we were trading with regular entries here. I recorded the entries on the 50-tick chart, however. This was a trigger entry, and it was a very high tick reading. We tried to get a pullback, and I was successful. I was bidding 12,820 on a tick pullback. I was filled with both contracts. Took just a little bit of heat. Then we exited the contracts 12,827 and 12,824. The next two trades were after lunch. The next trade was after lunch, as I say, and it was at 10:39. And this was a breakout trade above this little pivot that was formed here. Nice price pattern. Had a buy trigger firing off here and also here. So I waited until we broke out above this. My entry was at 12,826. Got a point of slippage on the fill. Got filled at 827. So we exited one contract at 833, which was the program exit. And I was trying for a larger target. You can see we got all the way up to 12,838. I was actually trying for 15 points on that second contract. Then price rolled over. I had moved my stop to one tick above break even, and that's where we got stopped out at 12,829. So a total of 7 points on the trade. And our last trade of the day was at 11:38. These are all Pacific time. It was a trigger entry here, but again with very high ticks, and so ended up getting a little bit of a tick pullback. Got filled at 8:24, and actually had another contract bidding another contract about 7 points lower, but was never filled on that. And so we exited the one contract at 12,835, and that was actually one tick from the high of the move. So felt very good about that trade. So that's it. We didn't make a lot of money today, but we were positive. 4 winning trades, 1 losing trade. And trying to keep these videos to 8 minutes or less. I've been having difficulty uploading to YouTube as the videos have gotten a little bit too long. Our contact information is on the video at the start. So take a look at our website and contact us. We'll get you into the room for a free 2-week trial. Have a great evening, everyone, and we will post our results on February 8th after we get done trading tomorrow.